Good morning all. Today I will show you easy method or easy way of multiplication. Let's start how to multiply the number very easily. First of all, we will see how we used to read the numbers. Suppose this is two-digit number. We used to write 46. So this is 40 and this is 6. So we used to read like this 46. Suppose we have a number 57. This is 50 and this is 7. We used to read like this 57. So this is 50 and this is 7. Now let's see how to multiply very easily. Suppose 45 into 5. I am multiplying. Instead of multiplying from right, I will start multiplying from left. See here how to solve it. 5 4s are 20. This is not 4, this is 40. So 5 4s are 20. Because it is 40, I can add 1 0 here. Now plus 5 5s are 25, which is equal to 200 plus 25 is equal to 225. This is very easy. Without solving also you can tell the answer. See, you will get the same answer. 5 5s are 25, 5 remaining 2, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. Both answers are same. Especially those who are in 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, they always no need to find out, no need to multiply like this. If you find something like this, you can directly tell the answer by doing like this. We'll take one more example. 56 into 7. 7 5s are 35. As I said you, this is 50. So add 1 0. Then plus 7 6s are 42. 350 plus 42 is equal to 392. By multiplying from right, you will get the same answer. 7 6s are 42. 2 here and 4 will be here. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4 is equal to 39. This value and this value is same. Same like this, we can solve 3-digit number also. It becomes very easy. Suppose 462 into 4. Now, instead of starting from right, I will start from left. 4 4s are 16. Because here it is 3 digit, I will add 2 zeros. And this number is 400. This number we used to read like this. This is 400. This is 60 and this is 2. So here it will be 2 zeros. 400 means 4 4s are 16. Those 2 zeros we have to add. Plus 4 6s are 24. 24, this is 60. So 0 we have to add. Then plus 4 2s are 8. Now when you add 16 plus 240, it will be 1840. plus 8, it will be 1848. Now when you multiply from right, you will get the same answer. 4 to the 8, 4 6 the 24, 4 and 2 here, 4 4 the 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. See, both the answers are same. Now without solving, we can say the answer. Suppose 62 into 4. We can write the answer without solving. We have to solve it here in our mind. 4 6 are 240. 4 6 are 24. It will become 240. Then plus 4 2 are 8. 240 plus 8, 248. This will be the answer. Now see here, 4 2 are 8. 4 6 are 24. So especially when you are in higher classes, no need to multiply like this again and again. You should know the easy way to multiply and tell the answer, write the answer very fast. So you can solve the problems as early as possible. We'll see one more problem. 48 into 5. Now, I will tell you answer without solving. It will be 240. How? 5 for the 20. 20 number will become 200. Because this is 40, it will become 200. 200 plus 5 8 the 40. 200 plus 40, 240. Now 5 8 the 40. We'll solve like this, 0. Then 4 here, 5 for the 20, 20 plus 4, 24. See, both the answers are same. So this is easy way of multiplication. I suggest you all, I instruct you all, do one thing, make some problems by yourself. First solve like this as I show you. Then try to write the answer without solving. Without solving like this, try to write the answer. Then check what you are writing answer, it is correct or not. So this is the easy way of multiplication. Hope you understand whatever I explained. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe Amir Sir and Asghar Sir channel. Thank you very much for listening to me.